Hello, this is Samson and I'm Haley, and we're going to walk you through our backpacking trip toiletry bag. As you can see, we've got it in this nice, lightweight, water-resistant Ziploc bag. We're gonna go through it so you can see a light but convenient and cost-effective way to take all the toiletries that you may need backpacking. Toothpaste tablets. These are little water-soluble tablets and you can just take as many as you need. So if you're gonna be gone for 3 days and you wanna brush twice a day, you can bring 4. Wow, math is hard. Today, then you can pack 6 and it's super lightweight and you don't have to worry about a tube. Toothpaste tablet. Toothbrush. Not much you can do about this except my husband likes to cut off the end of his so that there's less plastic. So minimalistic. I personally don't want to have to brush like this. I would rather just have a full toothbrush. It's worth a little bit of extra weight for me. Alright, Samson. Next up is a spray deodorant. This little aluminum can is actually pretty lightweight. Hold on, what is it made of? This can is super lightweight, and I've learned that the stick ones just tend to melt on backpacking trips, so this little spray one is like so nice. Plus you don't have to touch your 3-day-old sweaty armpits with a stick. I don't know. This one's just travel section at Walmart, okay? I wear contacts, so I obviously bring a contact case for my contacts because I want to be able to see nature in 2020. If you are wanting to bring like a luxury item in your toiletry bag, like maybe like a night cream, an oil that you put on your face, a hand sanitizer, you can put it in a contacts case. It's super lightweight. You don't have to bring the whole bottle. All you need is a couple dots and you just stick them right in there. Super convenient and lightweight. If you think you're gonna have more than 2 lotions and potions, you can use a pill box. Speaking of pill boxes, this is my little medicine bag. Probably don't need to bring this much medicine on a camping trip, but I have really bad allergies and my stomach is like very unpredictable, so it's just better safe than sorry for me, honestly. So if you just want to like cut off like a Tylenol or like a Benadryl, you can just cut off like 1 and just stick it in your little medicine bag. I also, you know when you buy a shirt that has buttons on it and they come in the little plastic baggie, the little extra buttons? I put a lot of my medicines in those little baggie, like this is Tums, because nobody wants to bring a whole bottle of Tums on a camping trip and they're so big that you can't even fit them in a pill box. And you know, just a little bag of ibuprofen. And okay, we're back. And then like a first aid bandage, because you know, if we're bleeding out in the woods, this should do the trick. I've got a safety pin in here too. You never know when you're gonna need a safety pin. Like if you don't want to bring toothpaste tablets, you can obviously just get a miniature toothpaste. Last thing, if you want to bring like, I don't know, butt wipes, like flushable wipes for like taking a bird bath at night. Makeup wipes, if that's like how you want to wash your face. I bring little makeup wipes. I have little so adorable travel size Neutrogena makeup wipes that like come individually packaged. Those were a luxury that I got as a gift and I love using those for camping. But whenever I don't have those, I just stick some wipes in a bag like this and just make sure I only do it the day before because you don't want them to dry out too much. Then you have like all you need, because you only need to bring 3, you don't have to bring a whole pack. And so just to keep them fresh and moisturized, you can just put them in a Ziploc bag like this. Thank you for coming to my channel. This is the Haley Way of Life. This is Samson. I am Haley. This is your toiletry bag. I hope this was helpful.